This is my slipper. You're naughty, no? You are very naughty. Na, gusto mo pala ng kalaro, ha? You need playmate, ha? You look like innocent because you want my food, huh? You're trying to bribe me, huh? Are you trying to bribe me? Is that right? That's not yours. That's my food. You know, my food, you know. You have your own food. That's why you like to be near on my food, okay? I know you. You're always hungry. Snowy. Leo Leo the always hungry. No, Leo? You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Love you, Leo. You're always confusing of everything. Okay, see you later. I will need to work na. Bye-bye.